Hello, so I am going to show you how to make a keychain on TinkerCAD, and it looks like this, or like that. And TinkerCAD is just a software you can use to 3D or make 3D objects, and then you can print them out with a 3D printer if you got one, but obviously you don't have to. So first I'm going to go off to geometric to make the circle. So it'll give you all these shapes, and you want to just scroll down to tube. I'm just going to lay it right next to it, and then I'm going to make this a different size. I'm just going to make it, because the one up there is like a 23 by 23 or something, the circle. I'll just make it 24 by 23. So now that I got that, I'm just going to close this, and then I'm going to go to shape generators in TinkerCAD, and then it'll give me, I want this one right here, the image generator. I don't know why it's called that, but I'm going to just slide it over. And I'm just going to I'm not going to lay it right next to it like where you can see the corners. I'm going to push it into it so you can't see the corners and so it looks like smooth. So I'm just going to try to center it just a little bit. And so I'm just going to make it longer too, just to match the one up top. Okay, so now that we got that, you can raise it up, but I think it looks cool if it's not raised up. So you can raise it up by just there's this little arrow thing. You can raise it up like this. But if you want to make it thicker, you could press this little one right here and then I'll raise it up, but I don't want to. I'm just going to keep it how it was. So then I'm just going, okay, so I think it's centered pretty much, practically. I'm just going to highlight it, or make a little box around it. I'm going to group it, and it'll turn all one color. It'll either turn whatever color your circle is or your little rectangle, and I'm going to go to color and to a light gray. I'll do this light gray because it's a little different than the other one. So now I'm going to go to letters, because you can put whatever you want on the keychain. You could put numbers, your favorite number, I don't know, whatever you want to put on it. Numbers are right here, and you could put numbers on there. Or you can put letters, which I'm going to do because my initials are JJH, so I'm just going to make JJH. So I'm just going to click on the J, drag it over. I'm going to get another J, drag it over. Make sure that's aligned, and then I'm going to get an H, drag it over. Okay, so now that I got that, you do not want to group this one, because when you group objects, it makes them one instead of two separate shapes. So I don't want to group it, because if I group it, I won't be able to change the color of the letters. It'll be one color, and I don't want to do that. So I'm just going to ungroup it, and I'm going to click each letter individually. I'm going to click, show you what color. I'll do green. I'll do light green, like a little ombre. And if you multiply or click it multiple times, it would go back to its original color, but that's not how it is in the end. It's just, I don't know why it does that actually, but it just does that. And then I'm going to go to the middle green, and then the darkest green. So that's how you make a keychain. You could change the size of it if you want. You can do whatever you like to your own preference, and I really like TinkerCAD, and I hope you enjoyed, and I hope this helped.